Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to uninstall games from Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application that is Steam. And right now, all I want to do is uninstall a game. Well, it is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to Library at the top left. Click on it and then you will be redirected to this page. Let's just say I want to delete this game right here, so I'm simply gonna click on it right now. And as such, when you are in this page, what you guys need to do is simply click on Manage. At the right hand side, you will see a button like this, a gear-like icon called as Manage. Click on it right now. Click on it right now and something like this will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is simply scroll right over to Manage, and at the bottom, you can see a button like this called as Uninstall. Click on it right now and give your confirmation. Simply click on Uninstall. And guys, that is it. Once you do, simply give your confirmation once again, and as such, the game will be uninstalled. That is it guys. That's how we uninstall games in Steam. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.